Okay guys, so here is my radxa X4. It's very tiny. It comes with this, and this, but it doesn't matter because it have this. So, and here is my SSD and my USB Type-C cable. But I already have one here. It's PD up to 12 volts. So now we're gonna unbox this and assemble everything. So here is my USB Type-C cable. It's very thick. I am surprised because look at this. This one is thicker. We're gonna put this aside. The interesting part is here. So we're gonna open this up. Well, look at that. Whoa, it's so tiny. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and install my SSD. Put the screw on. And there we go. Just like that, it is installed. Plus, I have 64 gigs MMC, and well, 8 gigs of RAM LPDDR5. And here is my Intel N100. Put it on here. And take this thing off. We're gonna grab this and take off this screw because I don't wanna use the bottom part. And look at that, they made this wire larger so that you can plug this thing in easily. Thank you, radxa. Amazing. So now radxa fixed the problem with this wire being too short. So taking this part off, and I have only the cooler, which is very heavy and thick, but it's gonna be enough. So I don't know how to assemble it, but I think I have to first put this thing on here. Yeah, definitely. Hold on, I need a screwdriver. Here I have my screwdriver. So just grab this screw and put it on here. I need to grab this screw. It doesn't fit, I don't know why. Yeah, this screw doesn't fit for some reason. Or maybe using the wrong ones. I have no idea. There we go. Maybe the wrong screw. Oh, madam. So now we have this screw. there it is. My radxa is assembled. So this right here are my HDMI, my two plugs. This is USB Type C, and I think this is for direct 12 volts. So I haven't seen this one. So I may have a new version of this board actually. So here is my USB ports. Here is my all-in-one ports, and here is my Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antennas. Use it and this jack, which I don't think I have an adapter, so I might probably change this for a regular one, a regular plug. So this is, I have Ethernet right here, and that plug is for the battery. So we're gonna put this on my setup and see how it works. Okay, so it finishes the installation. I haven't recorded and it is starting the device. Whoa, it's very fast. I am very surprised it's very fast. So I also took off the USB. So I'm gonna put this USB on a side because we don't need it anymore. Now we're gonna enjoy my computer. So let's watch it boot. Okay, so I'm gonna use this PD wall adapter to charge my phone because it's running low on battery. So I'm gonna plug it in USB Type C, of course. Okay, my phone is charging now. So we're gonna wait this to finish getting ready the device because it is taking very long. Oh, never mind. We will see how Windows boot. Oh, it's another restart. So let it do its thing. It is getting ready more device, I think. Just a moment. Okay, just a moment. Also, I just realized my fan is not working for some reason. Yeah, I can hear the fan. Like it's not working. Oh, there it is. Windows 11. So I'm gonna choose go through the setup. Okay, so let me do something. Come on. Oh, it's weird that it's not letting me have any buttons on. Where we're gonna turn the board on. It is doing its thing. Oh, wait. Hold on. Does it come with Windows installed on the SSD? It is booting my Windows installer. We will see how it works. So I'm gonna install this on. Gonna select my language. Let me just find it. Wait, I think I'm gonna install it. Oh, I'm gonna install it. Yes. and yeah, this one. So click install, and it is installing. So installing Windows on the radxa. No, I don't have a product key, so okay, so we're gonna click this and install Windows. So here is my 64 gigs SSD and my 512 gigs SSD. I'm gonna select this one for Windows. Here is installing Windows, and I want you guys to see how much is consuming the board. So it's really very low consumption, and it works from USB Type C. I'm gonna stop the recording for now because this is gonna take very long. We're gonna wait for this to finish. Don't disconnect your PC. Yeah, but it is connected by USB-C. So we wanna wait a few minutes until it finishes. And I think it might have to hit the driver for the board, such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So while I wait for this, I'm gonna stop the recording and hit the drivers now on a USB stick. Okay, so I have all the files, the needed files, such as Wi-Fi and chipset and Intel graphics version and everything that's stuff. We're gonna select all of this. I'm gonna select all of this, cut it and paste it on my USB drive. Now I have to wait for everything to transfer. Okay, so I am going to grab my Kingston USB and start installing the drivers. Okay, so I choose how to install the Intel chipset driver. It will restart later, so Intel chipset driver is already installed, so I'm gonna remove it from the USB stick. No, I'm gonna install the graphics driver. So in the meantime, it will also install the radxa wireless module. Oh, now you have Wi-Fi. So I'm going to connect to. Oh, I also have 5G Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna put the password. But it's better this one. It's faster. So now you have Wi-Fi. I'm gonna install the audio driver. Now that I have Wi-Fi, I can finally start installing the graphics driver. So here is my test specs. Here are the instruction and everything, and so we're gonna see the memory is DDR5, but it's actually LPDDR5. The RAM frequency right now is this, and the graphics is Intel HD graphics. They work very well, and the main board is everything, and chipset Intel Alder Lake, Alder Lake, Southbridge in Alder Lake and I don't know what that is. The max TDP is 6 watts. So I have no idea if because of the USB-C wire I am using I am limited, because look, but even so it's very smooth. This game is working very smooth, and I have set it to maximum graphics quality, so you can see graphics quality is at max right now.